the day. It is Chicago Day, and I'm so excited. I feel like it has just been the longest week of my entire life, and you can't see me. Okay. I just feel like it has just been the longest week of my life. I am ready to be with my girlfriends and do what we do best. So we're gonna be going down for St. Patrick's Day, which is today. And that was the reason why we were going. And then Kelly made a bridal appointment, and we're gonna be going there on Monday. And then, so tonight is Saturday, so tonight we're gonna be going out somewhere. And then Sunday we're going to be shopping all day, we're going to be eating all day, we're going to be hanging out all day, and then Monday we're going to be driving home, and well, we're going to be going to Kelly's thing with the bridal thing, probably getting some food and then driving home. So yeah, who's ready? Because I definitely am. Woo!
Like a weird little vlog face that looks cute.
A weird little what?
A vlog face.
So we have just arrived. We are at the Fairfield Inn and Suites, aka the Fairfield Inn and Suits. Yeah, so alright, so we're here for St. Patrick's Day. We are in room 639.
Yes. 639.
639. 639. And this is the first shot of the day. They're kinkies.
Nice.
Yeah, it's actually the night.
Night of the evening. Bye.
Wait, you gotta let it focus. Okay. You gotta let it focus, Mandy. Oh my god. Okay.
Wait, no. We have to have this happen. I started it. It has to happen. Oh.
There we go.
Okay.
All right, guys, you ready?
Yeah. Cheers.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Hey, Patty.
It's going down tonight.
Oh.
Come on.
So this is the best lighting that I can find, but it is St. Patrick's Day, so we are all ready. Got Kelly's sister Karen and her friend Sam all ready. Mandy and Kelly actually did their makeup by themselves for the first time. Isn't that crazy?
Only time this happened. The only time.
Crazy. So this is actually like what I'm wearing if you guys want to see it. We're not in really great lighting. I didn't bring like my light, so bear with me, guys, but this is how it's looking. So we're wearing a top that I got from Paxton actually, and it's just no bra. You guys know how that works. And then jeans that I got a while ago. These ones are from Misguided. Love them. These are actually old. I think I got them from Juicy. I think that's what they are. So I think we are gonna go out on the town tonight. We're gonna go to Michigan Avenue. If you guys are not familiar with that, it is like basically the big strip in Chicago. And that's what we're gonna do.
Stay tuned.
Woo!
Texas. All these memories work like magic. I'm feeling so nostalgic, thinking how we used to have it all back then. Well, I hope you're happy now. I hope you're good. If you could just be here right now, I'd be all good. Yeah, I know you found what you're looking for. I know you did what you had to do.
So we are officially on day 2. It is Sunday. Please, somebody just take a peek at this shirt.
Shout out to Sean for the shirt.
So yesterday was a lot of fun. You guys already know that your girl drank a little too much tequila.
A lot too much.
Slightly a little too much. So today we are planning on we're going to be tourists around Chicago. We're going to go to the Bean. We're going to go get deep dish. We're going to shop Michigan Avenue. Kelly, where do you want to go today?
Louis Vuitton.
She wants to go to LV. Guys,
LV
we're
is
not
my
surprised.
spirit animal.
we're not surprised. So we're gonna do all that today. It's gonna be a lot of fun, so stay tuned. What Kelly said. Okay. We are on our way to lunch. What are we doing at lunch? Where are we going to lunch?
So much pizza, Giordano's.
Yeah, so we're gonna get some deep dish. I actually missed National Pizza Day. Can you guys believe that? I also missed National Napping Day, so that's weird. You know, because that's pretty much all that I do is nap and eat pizza. Anyways, so let's go to lunch. So we're eating, and Kelly's first question is, how much money do you think they spend on cheese? A lot. While it's a valid question, who cares? So the lighting is pretty bad. I feel like I've been telling you guys this entire vlog that it's been kind of bad. So we just went to lunch, and guys, it was like the best deep dish I've ever had in my whole life. But I ended up changing out of the outfit that I was in because feeling like I'm packing on some extra pounds. I got a couple food babies in there, so but I feel like I'm more Chicago typed. I'm in, you know, my Lululemon jacket and my coat, so we're doing big things. So we're gonna finally go shopping. We are going to go to, I think, Nordstrom. Kelly wants to hit Louis Vuitton. Why wouldn't she? So we're gonna go there. And then I think we're gonna go to Forever 21 and just kind of see where the day takes us. And just kind of go from there. So we've been having a lot of fun. Kelly's sister and her best friend Sam are actually going to be leaving today, which is sad. We've been having so much fun. Really, that's all that I have for you guys. I feel like I don't have much of an update. Amanda's not feeling dead anymore. Amanda woke up this morning not feeling great. She is alive, if anybody wants to know. She may have thrown up a little bit. Shh, we won't tell anyone. But, you know, she wasn't feeling great this morning, so we nursed her back to health. She didn't go and get lunch with us, but we brought her some pizza back. But how many times can I say but? Drink every time I say but. So, yeah, I guess we'll go shopping. Good morning, everyone. So we are in our very last day, and we are going to be going to, where are we going? We're going to the bridal show. Dimitri's? Dimitra's, and we are going to be wedding dress shopping for Kel, so I'm so excited. We don't think that she's going to be buying a dress today. However, we do want to get an idea of kind of what she's going to be wanting to wear when the time does come for us to shop for her. We kind of want her to be a New York Kleinfeld bride, so we'll see.
We got the shoes, so that's all that matters.
We did get the Louis. So we are so excited. It's going to be such a great day. So it is Monday. This is the very last day, so let's go look at some wedding dresses.
Love is a funny thing. Whenever I give it, it comes back to me. And it's wonderful to be and giving with my whole heart as my heart receives. your love. Oh, in nice tonight we got each other. I am right beside you, more than just a partner or a lover. I'm your friend. When you love someone, your heart